Okay, we're going to try the top after about 50 hours of work. Had multiple issues. First of all, let's see where the pins are here. And see, it's in. And around the other side here. The other one is also in. Right there. Right back under there. And it is missing, I believe, right here on each side. So let's bring it up, and the tie bar is straight, or fairly straight. It's even though my my shorter arms or the brackets on the floor are not quite aligned. This one is out this way. That one is out that way a little bit. They're also up and down. But I allowed some slack in my turnbuckle thread on each side to allow these to twist slightly and not bend the bar. Seems to be working, so let's continue up with it here. I can. And the top roof is adjusted, and only did it once just after I did the pivot adjustment, but it get in there. It appeared that the locks were aligning, but let's see. Oops. There they go. Very close. So anyway, and it of course stores the package tray down. And so the tie bar is still straight, and the little power link arms right there are parallel to the jack screw. And the front roof is fairly parallel right here on both sides, pretty much straight across. Right here is the best as I could get it, but much better than it was. Anyway, the top will work pretty good. A little bit tricky sometimes, even on mine. I'll let off on a switch when the screws get close, but they are lined up pretty good. Not sure if the top is a little low or high. I'll check that, but hate to mess too much more with the mechanism because it's pretty tricky to keep it correct. So anyway, and the tie bar is straight, and the lift arms are all the way forward. You see over there, that one is also parallel. So apparently it's just about either done or very, very close to be done. There it is.